Hello guys, welcome to my channel Flutter for Everybody. So in this video I am going to show you how to create tab bars using Flutter. So let's get started. Open a Visual Studio Code, create a new project, Ctrl Shift P, select the Flutter project and give the name of app. Name it as tabs, and press enter. Select the path where you want to create a project. So now our project has been successfully created. So let's run this Flutter demo homepage app. Press F5. Hence you can see that now our app has been successfully installed. Flutter demo homepage. So now let's clear this all default code. And create a stateless widget for my app. And inside the my app create a material app and create the home. Our home should be home page. And then give the theme of our app, and theme data will be primary swatch. And give our primary color of app will be colors dot blue gray. So now let's create our home page. For that use stateful widget and give the name as home page. So now our home page has been created. And let's design the home page now. For that let's use scaffold. Inside the scaffold create the app bar. Then title will be text as home page. Make it center, title true. This blue gray color is quite weird, so let's change it. Instead of this, let's take it amber. The amber is fine now. Okay, it's looking good now. let's create our home page body. So what first of all I am creating in a home page is a button that whenever I press on this button it should be open the tab bar views. Okay, so let's create the button now first. So for that I'm using column, and inside the children of the column I'm going to create a raise button. Yeah, so as you can see that button has been shown in our device. So let's design the button now. Let's create a child of the button to design the button. So give the text has. So first we have to we are going to create a top tab bar. So for that name it has top bar, top tabs. Yeah, looking good. Now style it. And text style will be colors dot white, make it white. Yeah, save it. See, so now let's make the background of this color as well. Give the color of button as well. Colors dot black and white combination is pretty cool. Yeah, now let's make this button in a center. So wrap this column widget with the center widget. Yeah, wrap with center. Yeah, it's come. And now give the main axis alignment of the column as a center. For that, main axis alignment, dot center. Yeah, done. See, now the button has came into the center. Now let's define the on press, what should be happen when you press on it. So for that what should be happen is whenever we click on it, it should open the another page. For that let's create a navigator and it should call navigator dot push. Yeah, navigator dot push. So if you don't know what is navigator and the push, I have created one navigate pages video, so you can watch that and you can get a clear idea what is navigator, what it does. So now we have context inside the push. Now what we need is material page, another page we want whenever on press. So for that material page root, and it gives the builder, and that pass the context and what it should do is whenever I press on it, it should open the another page. So let's name it as top tab bar. Yeah, save it. Okay, so let's create this top tab bar. Inside the lib folder, create a new file and name it as top tab dot and let's import this. And copy this name as well and create the stateful widget for it and paste it name. Yeah, so now our app has, we have created this page but we have not designed yet. So let's the error is showing because we have not import that page inside the main dart. So for that, let's press on it and import that library. Yeah, done. So let's check it. So whenever I tap this top tab button, it should open the next page. Yeah, it's showing this black because we have not designed yet anything inside this page. So go back. Yeah, so let's design now the top tab button. Press this and yeah, so we need app bar. For that, scaffold app bar, give title text as top tab, save it. Yeah, make it center, don't give the space between. Yeah, make it center. Center title true. Yeah, so now in this top tab page we have to create the bars. So for that, inside the app bar only we have to give the bar. So at over here top only. So for that, let's after the center title bottom consist tab bar. Yeah, okay. And now the before displaying any tab, press enter, p tab, and here give the icon of the app, icons dot favorite, yeah, save it. Oh, so here we have this tab. Oh, there one bracket is missing. Create it, give comma, yeah. Now simply copy this tab because we need two tabs. Copy and paste it below over here, and change the icon. This time has email, yeah. So it's not showing because we have not created yet the controller of this tab. Okay, so our tab has been created, but we need to give the controller. So for that, let's create the tab controller. Tab controller, yeah. So and also give the single tick provider, so with single, I will tell you later what it do. Single tick provider, yeah. Here the bracket is missing, then yes. So what we need is initially the first I have created two tabs. No, one tab is for favorite and second is for email. So initially it should open this first tab only. For that, let's create the init state tab controller equal to new tab controller, yeah. Give the length as 2 and this sync will be this only, at the end semicolon. Save it. Now whenever I move from this tab to this, it should dispose this tab and come on this tab. For that, let's create the dispose as well. For that, let's simply dispose this, wait, let's create it. void dispose, yeah, and give the tab controller dot dispose, yeah, and give this super dot dispose. Simply override, need this override as well. Okay, wait, paste, yeah, done. So we have created our initial state and this dispose. Okay, now let's design our tab body. For that, let's create after the app bar, give body and tab bar view widget, use tab bar view widget, yeah. Inside the children, let's create the new page, name it as new page, and pass the parameter as well, name it as favorite bar. Okay, copy this because we have created two pages, no, so paste it and name it as email bar. Okay, so we have not created yet this class. So after this, pass the controller should be the tab controller. Save it. Yeah, so now everything is done, only now we have to design these pages. So let's copy this name. Okay, copy, and below this scaffold, create a new class stateless widget. Create a stateless widget and give the name as new page. Yeah, so let's first take these parameters in our string, final string title. Okay, title, and now make the constructor page this dot title. Yeah, so what we have did is we have passed this parameter inside the new page. So now below here we have created the new page class, and this parameter is now passed over here in through this constructor, and now it is in a string. So we have to display this in our body as well. So for that, let's make this scaffold scaffold, and set body, create a center widget, center, and inside the child has text and pass that title. I think everything is done now. Now let's simply reload the app. Yeah, so let's press this button. No tab controller. So why the error is showing? No, it's moving, but the tab has not displayed yet. It create 2 pages. Okay, why the error are showing? We'll go. So we have created the tab controller and pass this controller as well. And over here, oh yes, because we have created this tab bar but not pass the controller over here. So now get the error is pass the controller as well. Controller tab controller. Yeah, I think now error has been fixed. Oh yeah, done. See, this heart shape is because of the we have taken the favorite icon. Okay, and this email. So let me show you that we have used this single tick provider because whenever it does it that whenever I press on this email icon, it should be moved from this tab to this another tab. So let's check it. See, for that purpose we have used the single tick provider. See, I can this icon jump from here and there. Yeah, and as we see that inside the new page we have passed this favorite bar. It passed this parameter from here in this constructor, and through this constructor I have displayed this app, this title in the center of our body. See, so that's why it's showing. Yeah, here we have just simply created 2 tabs only. Yeah, done. It's look cool as well. Oh, let's restart the app. Why it's showing me like this? Tab, go back, tab. Yeah, perfect. See the clear animation and how it look beautiful. So this is all about the top tab. The tab has been displayed on the top. Now we are going to create this tab at the bottom. For that, let's simply copy this, raise button, Control C, give the comma over here to separate this and create one more button. Yeah, see, 2 button has been displayed. So now name it as this is top, now this is bottom tab. Okay, it look good. Change the color now, make it as and give the orange. Yeah, make it black. Black is cool. So simply here change this as well. Top tab bar, now make it as bottom tab bar, and create another page inside the lib folder. Now this time is bottom tab dart presenter. Okay, so let's import that page as. Okay, so first we have to create the full widget. Let's import this. Yeah, and then state full widget and name has same as it is. Paste. Yeah, done. And let's import that page in this. Yeah, so when I click on this bottom tab, it should display the another page. Yeah, this black screen is showing because we have not created anything. So let's design now this page. Everything should be same only. Okay, let's copy from here. First this single tick picker, copy and paste over here. Yeah, now from here copy this everything. Okay, and remove this thing and paste. Why the error thing? One more. Done. Okay, save it, restart. So when I press this bottom tab, it showing me because same as, because we have just copied, we have not did any changes yet. So let's change the name. Now this is bottom. Yeah, see how quickly it reflects the changes in our app. And this is fine. So now we are not going to create the tab below the app bar. Okay, so let's clear this thing, but we are using the tabs. First of all, copy this, smudge, and remove this bottom because we are not going to create this on the top. Okay, now we have body. After the body, now we have to create this So for that, simply use bottom navigation bar and new material inside the material children, that child should be TabBar, and inside the TabBar, so let's paste that what we have copy paste. Yeah, so now we have displayed the tab as well. Wait, we have did inside the tab, paste the tab, save it. Now simply pass the controller over here, copy this and pass it over here as well. Restart. See it displaying at the bottom. Wait, when I press on it, yeah, this tab is now showing at the bottom. Give the color now. So for that, this TabBar, give the color. Wait. Inside the material, give the color, and color should be colors be green. I think everything is fine now. Yeah, see, the green is looking weird, make it orange. Yeah, it's good now. So see, we have created the bottom bar as well and the tab bar. So now we have created the tab bar views as well. So when I click on the top tab, the bar is showing at the top, and when I click on the bottom tab, the bar are showing at the bottom. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel Flutter for Everybody.